maths, science, SST, and different languages like Hindi, Punjabi, English from grade 1 to grade 10. But this subject, business studies, is totally new to you. You have never studied about it. Business studies is a depth-in study of various fields like accountancy, marketing, finance, organizations, and human resource. It involves a general understanding of various elements of running a business. In class 11th, we are going to study about the basics of business. In class 12th, we are going to do further study about this subject. These are the various chapters, or you can say topics, which we are going to study in class 11th. So they will provide you base, and which will help you in class 12th as well. Dear students, you will be assessed on these following assessments. Like we have 2 UTs, 1 midterm and final exams. In which month they are going to happen, that we will tell you later on. And there will be 2 projects in business studies. One project I will be giving in the month of May, and other I will be giving in the month of October. Regular assignments and homework will be sent, that are also part of assessment. Today we will start with chapter 1, that is evolution and fundamentals of business. Human activities. We as human, we do 2 types of activities, that are economic activities and non-economic activities. So we do different type of work, but basically we classify these activities into 2 groups. In simple language, what are the economic activities? These are the activities which we perform to make money or to generate income. Economic activity is an activity of providing, making, buying or selling commodities or services by people to satisfy day-to-day need of life. Any activity that includes manufacturing, distributing or utilizing products or services are known as the economic activities. Economic activities are further classified into 3 categories, that is profession, employment and business. We will be studying about these categories later on. Now, what are the non-economic activities? These are the activities which we do not to make any money. These are the activities which we do just to satisfy our emotions, our sentiments. So non-economic activity is an activity performed with the purpose of rendering services to others without any consideration to financial gain. Means we are not expecting any financial gain from these activities. There are some examples of non-economic activities. Number 1, free time activities. Like some activities we do for pleasure in our idle time, like painting, singing. We don't generate any income from such activities. Then family commitment activities. Like for example, I am a teacher, I am teaching my son. I am not charging any fees from him. So this is also a non-economic activity. Then we have culture and religious activities, like for our happiness we go to temple or we worship God. We don't expect any money from God. So this is also non-economic activity. Then social welfare activities. These are the activities like for example we are giving donations, or we are one doctor is involved in relief camp. So something like that are also non-economic activities because we are not expecting any income. These are the features of economic activities and non-economic activities. Economic activities means there is earning motive. You want to earn something. And number 2 is a utility creation. Utility creation means you want to satisfy the utility, the need of the consumer. Number 3, there is satisfaction because you are making money. Then measurement in terms of money. All the economic activities we can measure them in terms of money. Non-economic activities, number 1 is our motive is service motive. We don't want to earn anything. Number 2 is there is self-satisfaction because you are doing something in your free time for your leisure, for your self-satisfaction. Number 3, we cannot measure these non-economic activities into monetary terms. Then social obligation. We do non-economic activities for social obligation as well. This is your homework. This is difference between economic activities and non-economic activities. You all are required to learn it, and then you have to copy it in your fair notebook. Make a separate notebook for business studies. Thank you.